Mango ice cream. Recipe to try yourself. Commercial or at home. Amazing. After peel your mango, weight 1 kilogram ripe mango. And then you will add some sugar. Granulated sugar, 300 grams. After adding sugar, add also water 500 milliliters, then blend together. Weight your mango powder, 500 grams. After mango powder, add water 1300 milliliters. Mix together using wire whisk. Keep mixing. Almost 2 minutes mixing. Take your mango, blend it with sugar and water. Pour inside bowl of mango powder with water. Mix them together. Pour in ice cream machine. Our ice cream is ready now.